Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to send Chainlink from MetaMask to Robinhood in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets smoothly between wallets and exchanges. Chainlink is a popular token for smart contracts, and transferring it to Robinhood can help you trade or hold it more conveniently. This process is straightforward, but always double-check everything to avoid any hiccups. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have MetaMask installed on your browser and that your Chainlink tokens are in your wallet. If you don't have MetaMask, download it from the official site and set up your account. Once you're logged in, head over to Robinhood. Log into your Robinhood account and navigate to the deposit section for cryptocurrencies. Look for the option to deposit Chainlink. Robinhood supports it, but confirm the network, which is usually Ethereum for Chainlink. Next, in Robinhood, generate or copy your unique deposit address. This is crucial because it's a long string of characters. Double-check it to prevent sending your tokens to the wrong place. Mistakes here can lead to permanent loss, so take your time. Now, switch back to MetaMask. Select the Chainlink token from your assets list. If it's not showing up, you might need to add it manually using its contract address. Once you've got Chainlink selected, click on Send or Transfer. Paste the Robinhood deposit address into the recipient field, and enter the amount you want to send. Remember, there might be network fees, especially on the Ethereum blockchain, so check the gas fees first to avoid surprises. Review everything one last time, then hit Confirm. You'll need to approve the transaction with your wallet password or biometric ID. After that, sit tight. Transactions can take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, check your Robinhood account to confirm the Chainlink has arrived. And there you have it. That's how you transfer Chainlink from MetaMask to Robinhood in 2025. If you run into any issues, reach out to customer support for your respective platforms. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more crypto tips. See you next time.